When it comes to gaming, having a good keyboard is pretty important. No matter how good your aim is, if your movement isn't smooth, you're not going to make it far. Especially in the case of a highly competitive shooter like Rainbow Six Siege, you simply can't rely on some run-of-the-mill membrane keyboard in order to get that sweet shot or even a win. Why do you even need a good gaming keyboard anyway? Well, let's just say that responsive keys can be the difference between avoiding an incoming headshot and feeding an enemy operative 120 points. Welcome to another video of Disrupt Tech, where we're going to tell you everything that you need to know about the top 10 keyboards for Rainbow Six Siege. But before we get into all that, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ding that notification bell so you never miss another update from us. We've also made a video on the top 10 best mouses for Rainbow Six Siege, so be sure to check that one out as well. Number 10. SteelSeries Apex 3. At number 10 on our list, we've got SteelSeries Apex 3. Not all great gaming keyboards have mechanical switches, as this affordable keyboard is the proof. This $50 budget-friendly SteelSeries Apex 3 may come with a few compromises, but it also boasts some pretty spectacular features. One of these includes the IP32 water resistance for protection against any spills because, hey, who hasn't accidentally knocked over a drink while gaming? Additionally, it's also got reactive and customizable 10-zone RGB illumination so as to make your gaming experience even more immersive. Number 9. Logitech G950 TKL Gaming Keyboard. Next up on the list, we have the G915 TKL Gaming Keyboard from Logitech. Most gamers will swear by weird keyboards, as they eliminate lag and potential signal interference. But G915, using its Lightspeed wireless adapter, actually offers seamless connectivity. This wireless gaming keyboard can be connected via Bluetooth too, and if you keep the backlight off or even low, it offers a fairly good battery life. Its compact size and the company's low-profile GL tactical switches make it a viable choice for Rainbow Six Siege players, which is good, considering it's $230, so it better be worth the money. Number 8. Rowcat Vulcan 120 AMO. Moving on, we've got the Vulcan 120 AMO by Rowcat. They've also developed the switch for this mechanical keyboard called Titan. It's a quiet tactical switch with a well-defined bump when actuated with no wobble, and is firm and responsive for gamers like Rainbow Six Siege. The shallow keycap and switch design make it seem like the keys are floating above the metal chiseled top, giving it that look and feel of an island-style keyboard. If you have another AMO device, the lighting can be matched between them. As far as the price tag goes, this guy comes in at a whopping $160. Number 7. The Vortex Gear Poker Gaming Keyboard. At number 7, we've got a fantastic 60% keyboard, the Vortex Poker RGB, which is used by the Rainbow Six Siege pros, Skies from Dark Zero. The solid aluminum body gives it that premium feel. The small form factor takes some getting used to, but Vortex has done an amazing job of making sure you don't lose anything with a shift to the smaller size. For gaming, this $139 keyboard is top-notch. If you're in the market for a new keyboard and need something small, clean, and programmable, this is definitely a board you should be considering. Number 6. Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition. Next up, we've got the Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition. The beauty of Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition is that it manages to deliver fast performance without being the most expensive keyboard in town. Nesk from Team Liquid uses this Rainbow Six Siege keyboard that you can pick up for just $108. While it does lack a couple of features, which puts it behind some of its feature-rich rivals, it does make up for that by being small and removable to make it perfectly portable for on-the-go gaming. Number 5. Duck 12 TKL. We've made it to number 5 on the list. The Ducky 12 TKL is an outstanding keyboard for gaming. The Cherry MX Brown switches on the unit have low pre-travel and don't require a lot of force to actuate. What's more, it's available in a wide variety of switches. This gaming keyboard costs around $119 and is used by Rainbow Six Siege pros like Hot and Cold from Mirage Esports. It has full RGB backlighting, which can be customized with the Ducky RGB companion software. Every key is macro programmable, and recording is done on the keyboard. Ergonomics are decent, and while there's no wrist rest, the straight design should be comfortable enough for most folks. Number 4. DropAlt Mechanical Keyboard. Moving on, we have the keyboard from Hyper's arsenal, the DropAlt Mechanical Keyboard. This is a premium keyboard, which comes with a premium price tag, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't be scared off from it. Even without any mods, this is a keyboard for an entirely different caliber than the average Corsair or even Logitech product. The full metal body, excellent keycaps, and programmability are excellent, and it also has in-key rollover, anti-ghosting, and a 1000 Hz polling rate. The keyboard boasts a price tag of $220, which is a pretty good price tag for a premium keyboard with all these features added onto it. Number 3. The HyperX Alloy FPS Pro. The HyperX Alloy FPS Pro is a decent keyboard for Rainbow Six. It feels very responsive, and it's not going to cause any fatigue during long gaming sessions. Used by joystick, it has an ultra-minimalistic 10-keyless design, which is ideal for Rainbow Six Siege pros. The device features a solid steel frame, and that provides durability as well as sustainability. The addition of Cherry MX mechanical keys make it more reliable. The keyboard has portable design with detachable cables, a game mode, and 100% anti-ghosting and full in-key rollover functionalities. The HyperX Alloy FPS Pro is a mid-range beast that costs $76. Number 2. The Corsair Vengeance K90. For the final two on the list, we've got the Corsair Vengeance K90, and it's a premium performance mechanical keyboard designed for superior gaming. It features Cherry MX Red mechanical key switches, which are some of the best key switches, and covered by Rainbow Six Siege pros, including FaZe Mave. This $140 keyboard comes with 18 dedicated and customable macro keys in order to provide easy access to your most frequently used macros, presets, and key combos. Full key matrix anti-ghosting and 20-key rollover on USB detects and reports any simultaneous combination of key press, with each key press being reported independently. Its professional-grade brushed aluminum chassis with laser-etched backlit keys provide a comfortable yet rugged design with outstanding illumination. Lastly, number 1. Logitech G Pro Mechanical Keyboard. Finally, we've come to what could be the pinnacle of gaming keyboards amongst the Rainbow Six Siege community, and that is the Logitech G Pro Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This is an absolutely outstanding keyboard for Rainbow Six Siege. Man, it's used by the likes of Baolo, Pingu, Shiko, Citizen, and many, many more. This beast has been designed for competition levels that has a blend of speed, precision, and quiet performance. It has durable Roamer G switches that deliver 25% faster actuation than standard mechanical switches. The keyboard feels extremely responsive due to its low latency and the switch's short pre-travel distance. Furthermore, it's got full RGB backlighting and is very well built. Believe it or not, you can pick this guy up for around $105. So, what do you think about the best keyboard for Rainbow Six Siege? Let us know in the comment section down below, and if there's any that we missed, let us know and tell us your thoughts. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and if you liked the video, give us a big thumbs up, plus hitting that notification bell so you never miss another update from us. Until next time guys, stay safe and stay informed.